Welcome to Primetime. Today we're going to be showing you how to set up your holidays for the new year. For this, you're going to need a list of the holidays that you'll be allowing in the next year or the coming year, or current year if you're doing this in January. We're going to hold our mouse over Configuration, down to Rule Setup, and over to Holidays. You'll notice we have holidays and holiday groups. We need to define the holidays first, and then we will update our groups. So we click on Holidays, and I can see all the various holidays in here, but I need to create my new ones. Even though there's Edit over here, we don't want to edit and change the dates of these, as they may still be in use for reporting purposes and things like that. So instead, we're going to add a new holiday from the upper left, or you could do it from the bottom left, either one. So we'll click Add New Holiday, and we'll name this New Year's. And you can just enter it in this format, or you can click on the calendar and go through and choose and pick the date from the calendar picker. So I'll click Save. We'll add a new holiday. The outside box moves the calendar 3 months at a time, while the inside box is just 1 month at a time. Back to September, and we'll save. This one would be a toss-up, whether it be the 5th this year or the 2nd. A lot of it depends on what your company chooses to observe for this particular holiday. I'm just going to choose the 5th and save. And we would do the same with the rest of the holidays that the company observes. Once we have them added here, we're going to go to Configuration, Rule Setup, over and down to Holiday Groups. Now, most people may have simply one group for their employees, but this area allows you to add multiple groups. You may have some employees that get specific holidays different from your full-time employees. In this case, it's a part-time employee, and they only receive 4 hours for the holiday. So they're in their own group where we can define the holiday rules for those types of employees. For a regular holiday group, we'll just click Edit, and we can see here the dates of all the older holidays. I want all of this to remain the same here because I've already got it set up. So all I want to do is Edit, and for Labor Day, I'm going to go down, and I'm going to choose the Labor Day we set up for 2021. The rest of this remains as it has been set up, and I just click Save. I can come down to Christmas, scroll down and find the Christmas we didn't make Christmas, we made New Year's. Click on New Year's, scroll down and find my New Year's 2022. There it is. Labor Day, and I believe we just click Save right here. I was just trying to figure out which other holiday I had added in here. Independence Day. And it's not in our list here. So on this instance, I would come down and choose Independence Day. the dates are correct, and I would make sure it matches the rest here. Per schedule, if you have this selected and they're scheduled to work the holiday, this will give them the amount of holiday hours that they were scheduled. To just choose how much they get for the holiday, you would select the benefit hours. If the employee is likely to work during the holiday also, and you want to gift them the 8 hours on top of whatever they work, you could select benefit if worked. If you do not have this checked and the employee works, it will override them being able to get the 8 hours of holiday that you stipulated here. Similarly, if they do work, you may want to give them double time for working rather than an 8 hour, or maybe just overtime premium rather than the 8 hour. If you want to give them both, then you would need to select benefit if worked and the particular premium you wanted them to have for working the holiday if you do offer a premium while working the holiday. If they just get straight time working the holiday and the 8 hours, then you would not select either of these here. You notice when I selected a holiday from the drop down, it brought over the dates for me, and this is what we want. We want to make sure that we select the correct holiday so that the dates come across for what we want to pay the employee. Once you've got this set up, you just click Save, and that adds this in as an additional holiday for the employee. Once you've completed all of the holidays in here, you click Save, and now we've just successfully set up holidays for the coming year. Thank you for watching.